Okay, for this next tutorial I'm going to show you how to compute a mean in SPSS. You'll need to compute a mean if you have a scale that you have a number of items that represent one variable. In the last tutorial I showed you how to check for scale reliability. In another tutorial I showed you how to recode variables. So at this point you want to use those items that comprise a reliable scale, and you want to make sure you include any recoded items when you compute the mean. So what I'm going to show you is on my freshman survey I have 4 items here under how frequently do your friends encourage you to exercise to lose weight, diet to lose weight, vomit or take laxatives to lose weight, or take diet pills to lose weight. The idea is that all of these things represent for peer encouragement norms or peer influence. So that's kind of the variable that I'm trying to create. So I'm going to go back into my data set, and I'm going to go to transform and compute variable, because I'm going to compute a new variable. I'm going to name the new variable. I like to put mn at the front of the variable name just to let myself know that this is a mean. You can put it at the end as well. So this is peer encouragement, so I could put enc for encouragement, mn for mean, encouragement mean. And under the numeric expression I want to enter in all the variables, whether they're recoded or not, to compute a mean. The easiest way to do this is to click the function group, click all. Under functions and special variables, scroll down and find the word mean. If you click on it once, it will explain what this will tell you. If you double click it, it will enter in the format that you need, the numeric expression. So now what I need to do is find those 4 variables that represent encouragement, and here they are. The first one is question 56. My friends encourage me to exercise to lose weight. The next one is diet to lose weight, vomit, and encourage diet pill use. So these are the 4 that I want to enter. So I'm going to move the first one over, and it's separated by a comma. Then I need question 57. Now if I had a recode for any of these, I'd scroll to the end of this list and find the recoded variable. Here's the second one. I enter a comma. Then the third one, followed by a comma, and then the last one. So this will give me the mean of those 4 items. It will call it encouragement mean. I'm going to click OK. SPSS will pull up an output screen where it summarizes the means. That's not important to me. What's important is what's on the data set. So I come back to the data set. I'm going to scroll to the very end under data view to make sure the variable's there. And you see encouragement mean. And that's the mean for those 4 items for each person. Alternately, I could go to variable view and scroll to the bottom and find that encouragement mean is here. This is a good place for me to label this variable. And I give it a label, and I could even put in the numbers here for values. I think it was never all the way up to frequently. So you can define this variable just like you would any other variable, but you'll need these means for when you do your statistics.